Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show us how we can invest in a platform that is really making waves right now. A lot of people are, investing. Basically, what you do is you invest in agricultural produce, okay, and then you make money. So the thing is, you invest a certain, there's a particular price tag for each of these animals. Okay, the agricultural products are animals, so you are investing in animals, and there are fixed prices for these animals that you are going to invest in, and then it's going to be for a certain period of days. So once the days has expired, that investment is going to stop. So if you wish to renew the investment, you can do so to continue, and then if you wish to stop, you can stop it. That's how it is. And if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the videos, make comments also, and hit the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this I'm doing in the future. All right, so another thing you need to know about this investment plan is um, the government takes 15% interest. So it's just for you to know that this particular investment is secured, at least for now. Okay, now this is not a financial advice. You can also make your research and see if it's something that you want to do, and the link is going to be in the description of this video on how you can register if you're interested, and then you're going to put the invitation code also, so you can get going in your investment plan. So let me just show us how it is. Now this is the app. All right, it's called River Ranch. You can see it right below in the lower part of my screen, River Ranch. All right, so this is how the app looks like. Okay, you have home, you have ranchers, you have charts. You can talk to a customer support anytime. They're going to answer you. They even have a WhatsApp channel and a Telegram channel. You can check your status right here, and this is your profile, me. Okay, so I'll just be going through some of the features for us to see, so we can understand it properly. Now if you're coming to home, this is home right here. So if you look at this side of the screen, the top of the screen here, you see where you have notice and vote. All right, notice and vote. So once you come to notice, this is more like a certificate that the organizers of this program have placed on the screen, so everyone can actually read up the certificate or the article that is in it. Okay, so you can just scroll. You can scroll and read what is in it. It says October River Ranch Planning, the official once you come to this site, you can actually just read it up and see what it entails. Okay, so the official establishment of the office. So they just launched a new office situated somewhere around Lagos in Allen. So it's a physical office. Should you have any issues, you can always go to that office and make a complaint. The app officially launched in Google Mall, so it's also launched in Google Mall, and more than 8 million ranchers are in Nigeria already using this platform. 8 million ranchers investing on this platform. So I mean, it's something that you want to check out. That's it. And apart from that, you also have testimonies and people who are testifying that for what these ranchers have been doing for them. Okay, you can read up testimonies and all of that. This is the news right here. You can see congratulations on the number of ranchers in Nigeria market exceeding 7 million. All right, so this is it right here, and these are testimonies from people. Thank God for the welfare. May God bless River Ranch Company, and all of that. You can see all these reviews that people have about this site. So that's home button, and once you register, that's once you invest in this plan, you'll be given on your first, I think there's a bonus of 590 naira. You can see it right here on my screen. I have a bonus of 500 on the top screen. You can see 590 naira there as bonus. You can't withdraw it. It's just going to be there until you start buying the animals. All right. Okay, so that's how it is. This is how it is. Once you come to me right here, you can put your card details. You know, let me see. You can put in your banking details once you want to withdraw. There's a withdrawal limit of 3,000 naira, I think. So you can put in your information right there, and then you're good to go. And you have personal information right here. You can update your information. Should you make any mistake, you can actually update your information right here and like that. So this is what it is. You can check your details. You can see that the dividends and rewards for ranchers. The fund can make it easy for everyone to master the skills of making money on mobile phone and maximize dividend income. I think it's all making sense right now. Becoming a goose, there are so many animals. I told you, I told you before, that the investment you are making here are animals. They have different animals ranging from sheep, pig, Muscovy dog, Sika deer, alpaca, cow, and horse. And they have different prices for this. You can see the sheep is 8,000 naira. Once you subscribe for the sheep, you pay 8,000 naira to buy that particular animal, and on a daily basis you get 340 naira daily. In a month you get 10,200 naira. Then in a year you get 124,100 naira, and so on. For the pig is 13,000 naira, you get 520. Muscovy dog is 20,000 naira daily. On a daily basis you get 800 naira daily. And the good thing about this thing is you just come to this site and click on the button to claim your revenue. Just one, you must claim it within 24 hours. So if you don't claim it within 24 hours, that particular offer is gone. So you need to be at alert every time. All right. And you have team benefits right here as well. In addition to individual dividends, everyone can also get team benefits. So the team benefits is, once you begin to register people under you, then you are their upline. It's not necessary, it's not compulsory to register anyone. You can be a one-man team, all right. But should you feel that you want to let people know about this, and help let people also invest in this program, it's something that you're going to get benefits from. You have the ranchers benefit as well and all of that. So it's very, very concise. Okay, and there's a guide right here, so you can come to this guide and watch the video on how you can recharge and all of that, so that you won't so that you would not be misinformed. Okay, so that's it on me. You can actually check more. This is the recharge button right here. Once you click on the recharge button right here, it brings you to this page. You select your country, Nigeria, and the amount. You can see I told you that you have the fixed amount for each of these animals. So you select the animal you want and the price that is associated with that animal, and then you click on one-way recharge, and then you click on confirm to confirm your payment. And if you want to withdraw, you come right here to withdraw. Your country is there already. Put in your withdrawal password, the amount you want to withdraw, and you can see that here it said that the amount of a single withdrawal per day cannot exceed 30,000 naira. Cannot be lower than 591 as well, and can be withdrawn one time per day. So only once you can make withdrawal on this platform. And the reason for this is because they want this platform to be regularized, so that it won't shut down like most of all these other platforms are doing. And these people are ready to make, they really mean business. All right, so let's come back to home. Let's see the type of animals that these people are offering the outside world to come and invest in. So you come to where you have ranchers. Okay, you come to where, and another good thing about this thing is you can actually download the app as well. You can download the rancher app, and then you're good to go. Or you can use web-based. I'm using the web-based right now, that's why it's like this. So you click on the ranchers, Once you click on the right chest, you see what I'm saying before. So you have the ship. The ship is 8,000 naira. Okay, you can click on introduction. Click on the introduction to see details on it. It costs 8,000 naira to buy a ship. You can earn 340 naira a day and 51,000 naira in 5 months. Okay, so that's how this one works. Ship comes, the ship details. Ship come from the ranch in Colorado, USA, with an average of 5 million sheep sold every month. So they get the sheep from Colorado. Okay, and if you're buying this particular, investing in this sheep program, the daily income is 340 naira daily, and it's going to be for 150 days, this cycle. So after 150 days it ends, but if you want to continue, you can continue with it. So let's go to Muscovy Dock. Muscovy Dock is 20,000 naira. Let's click on the introduction and see. Muscovy Dock, okay, the data is empty, but anyway, it costs 20,000 naira and your daily income is 800 naira, and this cycle runs for 180 days. That's the Muscovy Dock. Okay, once you buy this plan. The Sika Deer is 25,000 naira. Let's see the introduction. So it costs 25,000 naira to buy a Sika Deer. You can earn 1,000 naira a day and 180,000 naira in 180 days. Alright, so the program runs for 180 days, and this sheep comes from Wagner Ranch in the United States. Okay, Wagner Ranch from the United States. That's where it comes from. This is the Sika Deer. This is how it looks. Okay, so let's go to ostrich. Now ostrich costs 40,000 naira, and that's the ostrich. It comes from River Ranch in the United States. So River Ranch is also in the United States. Okay, that's the ostrich you're investing in, and once you do that, you'll be earning 1,300 naira in a day. Okay, and this program runs for 500 days. So in 500 days, you'd have earned 650,000 naira. Okay, and this is alpaca. Alpaca costs 50,000 naira. This is how the alpaca. Okay, this is still okay. Alpaca comes from Goldstone Ranch in the United States. Once you subscribe for the 50,000 naira, you get 2,000 naira daily, and in 365 days, which is when the program is going to run for, you get 730,000 naira. I mean, how sweet is this? I mean, what are you waiting for? If you feel that this is good for you, why don't you just hop in? The link once again is going to be in the description of this video, so you can click on the link, put in the invitation code, so that you can just recharge, and then you start earning money on a daily basis. And don't forget, it's once in a day. Within 24 hours cycle, you are expected to click on the claim button to claim your bonus. Now this is the cow. The cow is 60,000 naira. This is how the cow looks like. Okay, that was the alpaca earlier. Now these are the cow. The cow are from American dairy companies with an average of 3 million cows sold every month. So the cow costs 6,000 naira, then daily you earn 2,500 naira. Then in 365 days, you would have earned 912,500 naira. I mean, horse, and so on and so forth. Horse is 100,000 naira. This is the horse. 100,000 naira. Comes from Blackberry Ranch in the United States. Okay, and you earn 4,000 naira daily. Approximately 1,160,000 naira in 365 days. Kangaroo is right there. Kangaroo is 80,000 naira. You have the goose. Goose is 3,500 naira. You have the pheasant animal. That's 17,000 naira. You have the rabbit. That's 35,000 naira. If you're buying the rabbit, let's see the introduction. These are the rabbit. The rabbit comes from Goodstone Ranch. You can Google Goodstone Ranch. You can Google all of this and see how genuine it is. Okay, you can Google them. Peacock is right there. So peacock is 200,000 naira. The peacock data is empty, but the program, the peacock doesn't have daily income. I think they're still working on the peacock. Now turkey is 2,000 naira. So if you want to invest in turkey, you earn 100,000 naira daily and 3,000 naira in a month, because it runs for 30 days. So I mean, this is what the River Ranch company offers you guys. Run and invest, and this is the chart right here. You can actually chart support, and you can chart support, and then you'll be giving answers to. And this is your status right here. You can see this is the status of the company. River Official provides 3 benefits as follows. A daily withdrawal limit of all ranchers in Nigeria has been increased to 30,000 naira. It used to be 20,000 naira, yeah. Now it's now 30,000 naira, and that's it. A turnable lottery benefit will be permanently open. As long as you win the lottery, you win 100%. All animals on the Nigerian market can be purchased repeatedly, limited to 3 days. So you can watch the video here to get more information. A lot of people are, this is another review. A lot of people are talking about it. So I mean, what are you waiting for? If you feel that this investment plan is something that you want to know more about, you want to do, you want to kick on, you want to start, just start investing right here. And then you'll be making money on a daily basis. Once again, guys, thank you for staying on this channel. And if this video makes sense to you, please once again like the video, make comments, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get more opportunities like this when I release a new video. Bye for now.